Wadoga nemba kamana chiko seche mwachako ni giko ne ng'anyo mar lakteche mosekao ndalo 56 orumo yanga odichieng' makawuono. Maendi bang' sirkand counties, migao mar thieth kod riwruok mar lakteche KMPDU goyo sei winjruok magichano chwale doho mar leba. Gichope winjruok no e dwaro 18 kaachiel mar lakteche mag jopuonjre interns to girito ng'eto mar doho mar leba e kaunti ma Eldoret mondo chiwnegi ng'eto no bang' ndalo 60.
We had a very long meeting today with our National Advisory Council, that is the highest decision-making organ. And they endorsed that we signed this particular return to work formula today so that it can pave way for the doctors to resume work within 24 hours from now. We have decided to take the promise for the last time. But as we take this, I must say that one of the fundamental issues, that is the matter of doctor interns, is still pending. This matter was filed in court in Eldoret. This matter has been part of the conversations. All the doctor interns, that is the medical officer interns, the pharmacist interns, and the dentist interns, will have to wait a little bit longer. We have agreed on a 60 days period that they will not be posted, but we'll be having conversations on this issue.